there's this beautiful thing about the Quran is that everything that surrounds the Quran, or every act that is connected to the Quran, is an act of worship, is an act of ibadah. Meaning, for example, when you read the Quran, it's an act of worship. When you think about the Quran, it's an act of worship. When you contemplate or ponder over the Quran, like when you think about its verses, about meanings, about how to apply it, it's an act of worship. When you apply it in your daily life, it's an act of worship. When you make dua to Allah to open it for you, it's an act of worship. So it's basically everything that is surrounded around the Quran is an act of worship. Learning letters to be able to read the Quran. So now this is like a new intention that you can make, a new foundation on which we're building now our building of letters, let's call it that way. And that is that now, by learning these letters, every single class I join, every single class that I take and come here, it's going to be an act of worship for me, because every letter is getting me closer to reading the Quran. And with reading the Quran, you see this beautiful hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, that there is a good deed with that as a 10 good deeds like it, subhanallah. So that thought that when I come to this class, it's going to be 2 hours of constant good deeds, constant worship of Allah, constant book of my deeds that is filling with good. I believe is a wonderful reason to join and kind of stay steadfast in that path. May Allah make us among them.